All right, this problem tells us the angle B is 90 degrees. I already made a couple of notes. So angle B, if they don't tell you, like down here they have measure of angle ABC. So ABC and angle B are the same thing. So it's 90 degrees. So I drew my little square in there just to indicate 90 degrees. Another name for this triangle is a right triangle because it has a 90-degree angle. The other note that I made is that remember that all of the angles in a triangle add up to 180 always. So that keeps coming up. So that might be a good thing to, again, commit to memory. In a right triangle, we have the two sides that make up the right angle. We call those legs. These are just names. So that's a leg. And then this side is a leg. And then the side that is across from the right angle. So across is the hypotenuse. I'll abbreviate that for now. If you have questions on that, let me know and I can write up some notes for you. So the hypotenuse, in any triangle, if the angles can add up to 180 degrees, and one angle is 90 degrees, 180 minus 90 is 90. 90 and 90 is 180. So in that case, these two angles here, so angle A, we'll call it an angle C. Those two have to add up to equal 90. So this angle plus this angle equals 90, plus this, we know this is 90. So for a total of 180 degrees. So these two angles inherently in a right triangle are going to be less than 90 degrees. Okay, so because these angles are smaller, then the sides across from them are going to be smaller than the side across from the right angle. Imagine if you had your arm, like hold out both arms, and if you move your arms apart or your hands apart and make that angle bigger, then your hands are further apart. So the hypotenuse is always the longest side. So the side across from the side right angle is always longest. So A says AB is longer than AC. So they're saying that this side, AB, is longer than our hypotenuse, and that will never be true ever in any right triangle. All right, and then they say measure ABC. So again, this M angle just means the measure of the angle. So they're saying this angle is less than ACB, which again, we already talked about. This one's 90, so this one has to be less than 90, so not true. Measure of ABC is equal to ACB. If they were equal, then this angle would be 90, and we would have, this would just be shooting off into space, and we wouldn't have this angle down here. 90 and 90 is 180, so we would have nothing left. So that can never be true. So I'm going to cross that one out. So hopefully D is true. Measure of angle ABC, so our right angle, is greater than ACB. Yeah, I think everything we've talked about up until now proves that.